Installing the two-factor authorization. You can install two-factor authorization in the profile of your personal account by clicking the security link. To do this, move the slider to the active state. In the dialog box, you are prompted to download the Google Authenticator app on Google Play or the App Store. After installing it on your mobile phone, go to the second item, open the program on your device, click the plus button in the application and select Scan Barcode or enter the stop code manually. And also save it in a safe place. You may need it to restore it in case of loss of the device the application is installed on. After scanning or entering the key, go to the next tab and enter the code from the application in the input field and click Connect. After that, you will need to confirm the activation of two-factor authorization in your mailbox. Find the mail in the Inbox tab or look it in the spam folder. Open it and click Confirm. You will see a notification on the connection and enabled slider. Now, with the new authorization on the site, you will need to enter the code from the Google Authenticator application in addition to entering your email and password.